In this video, I'll show you how to program universal remote for Samsung TV. Step 1. Get ready to program. Ensure your Samsung TV is turned on. Make sure you have fresh batteries in your universal remote. Locate the TV brand codes for Samsung in your remote's manual. Step 2. Enter the programming code. Press and hold the TV or setup button on the remote until the indicator light blinks. Enter the Samsung TV code from your remote's manual. Point the remote at the TV and press the power button. Step 3. Test and finalize. If the TV turns off, press another button to save the settings, for example stop or enter. If it does not turn off, repeat the process with a different code. Once the remote is working, you can now control your Samsung TV. And that's how you use a universal remote on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. Bye.